Hello and welcome to this video guide as we look at the new Handout export feature of Lumio. Lumio is an online-based education platform allowing teachers to create interactive lessons and activities that students can connect to from their own devices. I'm Kyle Krenz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. This new feature allows teachers to take student handout pages from within Lumio that students individually have worked on, edited, and completed, then allowing that teacher to print those pages. It is important to note that this feature is currently in beta testing, so make sure that your beta features are turned on for your Lumio account. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon and then toggling the beta features switch on for your account. Now create an individual handout page from within a file creation. Once created, start the live presentation and have students join your lesson. When you get to the selected handout page, students can edit the selected page. Once the students have completed work on your selected handout page, from your teacher side, you can review their work and click the Export PDF option. A window will open in which you can select which of your students you would like to export their work from by simply clicking the checkbox next to their name. Then click the blue download button. From there, a file will be downloaded to your downloads of your device. You can open the file and you will see the pages of your student work. You can then print these pages from this PDF file. As a teacher, this feature may be helpful if you want to grade and give feedback via a hard copy, or allowing to showcase your student work from that hard copy in a hallway or around your classroom. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.